Okay. Yay.
Hello, welcome
Yay.
to A Math Lab.
Wow.
Today we're going to do factoring trinomials of a form ax squared plus bx plus c,
Okay.
where a is not equal to 1. Alright.
I'm sorry, did you say trinomials?
Yes, trinomials.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to take an example out of the book here so we can get the basics down. We have this form, ax squared plus bx plus c. And what we're going to do is we're going to factor this using this method where we take a times c and b. Okay, so if this is b and this is a, right here, this is c, as you can see.
Yes.
We can apply this in order to factor a trinomial. Okay. What I'm going to do is take an example from the book, 2x squared plus 11x. Five. Okay. Can you read that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes.
Alright.
You can see it.
Alright, good, good. So this is A, this is B, this is C. It's important to know that A is just this constant right here. B is just this constant, and C is just a constant. Okay, so if we take A, which is 2, times C, which is 5, then we get, what's 2 times 5?
25.
No. Wrong. And then we've got B, which is 11. Okay, so we need to take two numbers that will multiply together, that'll give us 10, and we add the two numbers, will give us 11. So right off the top, I can think of two numbers. I can say 1 times 10, oops, and 1 plus 10. This will equal 11, and 1 times 10 is equal to 10. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, good. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace these two numbers that I found with this right here. Or actually with this. So I'm going to rewrite this. 2x squared plus x, I can just say 1x if I want, plus 10x plus 5. Okay? And do you agree that if I add 1x plus 10x, it's equal to 11x?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is factor by grouping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this group right here, and I'm going to look at this group. I'm going to factor by grouping. So out of these two, what I can do is I can factor out an x. If I factor out an x, really I divide an x out of it, right? So if I divide an x out of this term right here, I get 2x. And if I divide an x out of this term right here, then I just get 1.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Plus, I always keep this sign comes down. And then I'm going to factor out, what can I factor out of this?
A 2.
5.
A 5.
Yes. Yes, I can factor out 5. Yes. Okay, so if I factor out a 5, out of this right here, then I get 2x. And then I factor out a 5 out of this, plus 1. Okay. This is actually good. Because here I've got the same thing right here. And as long as I know I have the same terms in these parentheses over here, and I also have the same sign, then I'm doing it right. So that's a good sign.
Okay.
Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two, I'm going to put them in a set of parentheses, and then I'm going to take these two and I'm just going to write it as 1, 2x plus 1. And that is our factored form. So if I was actually to multiply these out, FOIL them out, then I'll actually get this right here. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Join me next time.
Thank you.
Okay.